In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Claude Code style coding experience without paying any dime or any Epic credits or sending your code to cloud or anything. We are going to use Ollama and local AI models starting now. Open your browser and go to ollama.com, and you need to install Ollama first and scroll down and find the show more app button where you can automate your work. Once you click on it, you can find coding agents like Claude Code, Codex app. We are going to choose Claude Code. Scroll down here and copy this link and install the Claude Code on your terminal first. Paste the link and hit enter. Let the Claude Code install. Alright, Claude Code is installed and we are going to use new terminal here and open Claude with my own locally downloaded model, which is Qwen 3.6 35B. Let's get started. Alright, I'm in my sample project folder, so I can run Claude -- model and the model name. Currently we are using Qwen 3.6, and if you haven't installed Ollama yet, you need to check out my previous video where I have shown how to install Ollama on your Mac easily. Hit enter and now you will see the famous Claude Code terminal UI. I'm going to send hi command. Okay, we got the response from the LLM. For example, I'm going to choose efforts as ultra code, so maximum efforts or maximum thinking possible done by the Claude Code, and I'm going to send the prompt to create simple index.html file like a landing page or portfolio type for YouTube channel, and I will be back after the results. I will fast forward all the code generation so you can see it in some time lapse. Claude Code has decided to create 3 workflows: research, design and build. Let's see what kind of result it brings. Alright, let's check out what Claude has created. We will go ahead and open the index.html file with the live server and open it in browser. Alright, it is quite good. The texture is quite good. There is animation in the background, scroll down animation, pop-up cards. Design is quite good, yeah, definitely. So, and that is just a single prompt. I guess if I have elaborated better than this, it could have given me a customized result. Just imagine this creating your portfolios or anything, or if you want to create some prototype fast, this is the way. In the 70 minutes, this is the result. Definitely it is quite good. After installing Claude Code on terminal, let's move on to next section where I will show you how to install Claude Code on VS Code. Alright, let's open the VS Code, and VS Code you will go to extensions, search for Claude Code for VS Code and click on install. Once Claude Code is installed, you can go to the settings In the settings, you will go to extensions and find out our Claude Code. And in the Claude Code, you can see the options for extensions. Edit and setting.json, and here are the environment variables that we have to update. Okay, I have pasted the required environment variables. Main things are you have to select base URL and model. Base URL should be your own local LLM server URL, and your model should be which you have downloaded, or the cloud model as well. That's fine. Once you save that, after saving, we should restart the VS Code or reload the window. Just press Command Shift P and type reload window. Once you do that, you can go ahead and open Claude Code extension. In the new chart, I'm going to select efforts as high as possible, and then I will send a prompt to create a bubble sort animation. That way we can see that if the Claude Code with Ollama local LLM 3.635b can handle it, right? And I will fast forward this and sip some coffee and be back in a few minutes. Alright, here our LLM completed its task. The start button is working and it is starting, and animation is also good. Let's try the speed as well. Alright, speed is also working. That is quite good for just one go, not a single edit, or I never asked it to recompile or do something or find a bug and something like that. It has completed everything on its own, no input needed. Okay, let's try something better. I will ask it to add music to each bar. So let's try that, and I will get back to you after it finishes its second task. I think it has completed our task as well. Let's test it. Damn, within minutes, Cloud Code created fully functional web application featuring our animated sorting, bubble sorting visualization, right, and responsive control as well. And after the second prompt, it has added our audio effects as well, all packaged into single HTML file. That was quite good, and we did test it thoroughly. And I think that should conclude this video, and I will show you something new and different in coming video. Let's tune in for that. Thank you.